So today we got this right here, and this is going to be the Insta360 Flow. I'm super excited about this. This is not my first time dealing with cell phone stabilizers like this. I do have the DJI ON6, but again, I saw this, and by the way, I paid for this with my own money, but I saw it, I liked it, it looks great, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing. And if you see it right here, this is kind of how the box comes. The presentation is just really, really fantastic. So you see it right here, you see it with the phone. I am going to use this with an iPhone 14 Pro Max. Some of the specs right here on the side, and again, you see a little bit more information right there. Some of the components that is going to come here. So again, the box right here looks amazing. The presentation is going to be great. Let's go ahead and open this up. Here we go. Let's do this. So wow, it's like right there on the spot. And you can see some of the instructions right here, what you got going on. A couple other instructions right here. And then you see the setup right here, right? So essentially, it's going to be right here. I love that it's like clear through. You could kind of see through it. So let's get this out. Oh wow, just grabbing it right now, it feels nice. It doesn't feel weird. It feels really nice. Wow, I like this. I'm liking it so far. Take this out of here. It's gonna be like the accessory kit. We're gonna take a look into this. It looks like everything is out. Let's go ahead and open this kit right here. Okay, so this is all the components that we're gonna have right here. First of all, we're gonna have a little case right here, which is great, right? Because obviously you could protect it. It's not a hard case, it's just like a little pouch. But again, you can put them inside here, kind of prevent them from scratching and things like that. We're gonna have a rubber grip right here, which it feels pretty good. I'm probably gonna be utilizing this as well. It feels like it will give you a better grip. Tell you about that in a minute. We have a little charger. It looks like USB-C to USB-A to charge this. We got the clamp that we're gonna try it out. As far as I know, it stands pretty good to be on an iPhone 14 Pro Max or something like that, so it should work just fine, right? And then we have the setup right here. As you can see, I tell you, it feels pretty good. You see how it's clear, and you can see the components inside there. Really, really nice. And it does feel a little bit heavy. It does feel a little bit heavy. So we're going to start taking all this stuff off so we could give it a try. Okay, so I'm going to give you a look from this side right here, just so you can take a look and what you got going on right here. One of the things that they said that is a rapid deployment, so it's supposed to just like open up. So we're going to try that out. It goes to the side actually, so, and oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. It's working already. It's working already. All right, that's cool. So it feels good. It feels pretty decent. All right, I like this. I really like this design going like this straight up versus the other type of design, right? This one, it feels like it's a little bit easier to open. It's very uncommon in some of the stabilizers out there, but I kind of like this. The grip feels pretty decent. Let's put the rubber grip right here to see how it feels. All right, that feels a lot better. That does feel a lot better. I'm not going to take it off. I like that. It feels pretty decent. And as you can see right here, it really nicely around this setup right there, right? It feels like you have a little bit better grip. I like that. Okay, if you notice the face right here has a little thing, and if you notice this one right here, it's kind of nice to put it right there in place. I actually like that much better than the ON6. ON6 has a little dots that you have to kind of match. So I kind of like that a lot. And then I'm going to give you a quick look right here. This face right here is going to be touchscreen as well. You have a little joystick in there that you're able to move around. You have a couple different controllers that I'm going to have to figure out. If you come down here to the side, you have a way to connect it to, obviously, to a tripod or something like that. But one component about this one compared to other ones out there that was kind of like the thing that kind of pushed me to get it is the fact that it has an integrated tripod. So we're going to see how this opens up. So actually what you do is that you push out. Very simple. Now, if you go like this, now you could use this as a grip. So again, if you have big hands or something like that, look, now you have a lot more, and it actually feels a lot more comfortable like this because you kind of touch the bottom of your arm. So it does feel pretty decent right there. I could see myself extending this and being able to utilize it like that. I like that. But again, if you look at the bottom right here, you can actually pull the tripod out. You see what I'm doing right there? And now you actually have a little tripod. Like I say, I like this a lot. One of the reasons why I decided to go for this, because the other ones you have to bring the tripod with you, and quite frankly, it's a pain in the butt to bring that. But again, you have the little tripod right there, and it sits. This thing so far is great. I'm telling you, I'm a fan. I'm a fan. I love these things. I think they are great to record. I think they are great to make videos. I think they're a great setup for content creators. And like I said, the fact that this come with an integrated little tripod, to me, is fantastic. No longer you have to bring the tripod with you. It's just integrated right there. Close it up. That's nice. So far, I think this is pretty cool. Okay, so obviously you're going to be able to use this to record short videos on vertical. You're going to be able to record just standard, horizontal videos as well. It comes in different colors. You could get it in white or you could get it in stone gray. I didn't know that when I got mine. There is also a Summit White Pro color. It's compatible with Android and iOS devices. It has Deep Track 3.0, which is supposed to be really good. We're going to be testing that out. And 3-axis stabilization as well. It has a selfie stick as well. So we're going to try that out and see. All right, so that's definitely really, really cool. I like that a lot. Really, really like that a lot. When it's in this configuration, I think it would be kind of nice to bring this bottom part out. So like that, you have a better grip. It feels better right there. So you can see that right there. You can also kind of like bend it towards you like this, just so you could get that perfect frame. It has rapid deployment. You guys saw me how I open it up. Really, really simple. And the battery is supposed to last about 12 hours. And I believe you could charge your cell phone as well. Obviously, I got to get a little bit of practice, but essentially you move this to the side. That's open up. You grab this and then you move this one. There we go. And boom, it's already ready to go. Okay, here's the last look right here. Obviously, this is just an unboxing videos, but we're really excited to test this out. So far, I got to tell you, I like it.